Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the air sound. Now the air sound is a trigraph because it's made up of 3 letters. A, R and E together make the air sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard the air sound before. And that's because the letters A, I and R together also make an air sound. Air, 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 air. But today we're going to be focusing on this air sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Air, air, air. Excellent. Now let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the air sound. Oh, I've found a square. Can you hear the air sound at the end of square? Square, square. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the air sound. Oh, I've found a hair. Can you hear the air sound at the end of hair? Hair, hair. Excellent. See what else we can find that uses the air sound. Oh, found a horse. I know a female horse is called a mare. Can you hear the air sound at the end of mare? Mare, mare. Excellent. So mare, hair and square all use the air sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the air sound. To write our air sound, we need to write the letters A, R and E. For our A, we start at the top, we go all the way round and down. R, start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. And for our E, we start here, we go round, up and down. Now I want you guys joining in using your magic fingers. So give your shoulders a big roll so we're nice and stretched and ready. Give your arms a big stretch, give your fingers a wiggle. Get your magic finger ready and off we go. Start at the top, all the way round and down. Start at the top, down, up and over. Starting here, round, up and down. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Get your magic finger ready and start at the top, all the way round and down. Start at the top, down, up and over. Start here and we go round, up and down. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the air sound. Our first word today is care. My turn first. K-air, care. Your turn. Care. My turn again. K-air, care. Your turn. Care. Well done. Our next word is share. My turn first. Sh-air, share. Your turn. Share. My turn again. Sh-air, share. Your turn. Share. Well done. And our last word for the day is scare. My turn first. S-k-air, scare. Your turn. Scare. My turn again. S-k-air, scare. Your turn. Yeah, excellent. Well done on working so hard today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!